What's up, guys? It's Scooby D. I'm gonna continue with part 5 of Dead Rising. Case 0. Achievements. We got into one achievement left. The Steel Creek Savior. Saving all the survivors in Steel Creek. Yeah. It's pretty boring. No, I'm just kidding. So let's start. There's no survivors right now, but not good. Hold up. I gotta go to the. I need guns. Alright, let's go get some weapons. That finished. Game gets pretty draggy. Because, yeah, survivors take a while to come out. Like a long time. Maybe that's just me. Well, the reason I came to save room is to I don't know, to like renew things. Cause like, for some reason the survivors will not come out if you're in the area that they're supposed to come out. That just made no sense right there. Hopefully you guys get what I mean. Here are our next two survivors. You cannot save them until you get their third friend.
Hey.
So what you have to do, you have to go back to where you found your first Zombrax. Oh shit. Good for him. You have to give this survivor, you have to have 2 Zombraxes by now, you should. Because this is the only way you can get this survivor. Shit. And you have to carry this one to make your job easier. To save the survivors. If you don't, it's gonna be hard. So what you have to do, you have to go back to the people in the bowling alley. Then you gotta save all 3 of them at the same time. It's not that hard. It's actually very easy. Because the zombies are stupid. As always. But what's weird, they're kind of slower than the first zombies. On the first one, like the first ones are so slow. Always give them weapons, just in case.
Go over there.
Okay.
They usually don't get hurt because they're not that stupid like the first survivors are in the first one.
I'm freaking. Baby, help!
But I'm not saying that the Rising 1 is better than 2, because I think this one's better. So they're right behind me. They even get hurt. That's how smart they are. They didn't even get hurt yet. And we're already at the safe point.
Keep moving.
I'm so grateful.
Alright, peace guys. We'll have our last 4 survivors to save. That will be soon. I'll be doing my next video in a half hour, 20 minutes, as I'm always saying. Like, keep saying that, I'm an idiot. So, peace.